Hogwarts was founded over 1,000 years ago by the four greatest witches and wizards that I've seen. Inevitably, there comes a moment when you make a choice between what is right and what is evil. The choice we make differs. When in Hogsmeade, not more.
To get there, we have to sneak out the castle. That's where mine.
What's the match? If I weren't so busy, I'd ask some of you to carry my picture down to the stands. My house never stopped talking about Potter's Quidditch skills. I'd really rather see for myself.
Oh, travel far. Down here, the waiting is on, but smoking
Better start thinking now which side you'll be taking. Gryffindor or Slytherin. Either way, enjoy the match.
Motorbike. hope everyone's having lots of fun in Hogsmeade. It's lovely to have you. Are we all set back here? Brilliant. Gather round, everyone. Gather round. We represent the Hogwarts School Choir and we're here to share some music with you. Double, double, train and trouble, fire, double, 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 train and trouble, something wicked is striking.
All right, so as you can see, we've made it to Hogsmeade, and we've decided to go get ourselves a nice frozen butterbeer because that's the drink of choice when we're here in Hogsmeade. The park is extremely busy today. I don't know if you can tell with the immense amount of crowds that are all around me right now. It's a great day. I mean, don't get me wrong, the weather is perfect. Everybody seems to be enjoying themselves, and we're going to go continue strolling through until we get over to Universal a little later this afternoon. It is an absolutely perfect day here at Universal Studios in Islands of Adventure. Hogsmeade has been absolutely the bomb today. We have our frozen butterbeer, we have our castle behind us, we have Flight of the Hippogriff over here. You can see the track for that. It's been going by every minute or so. We have our projector towers and the whole downtown area of Hogsmeade behind me. That is just an incredible experience to be here. I wish you could be here with me. Maybe you'll be able to come on the next trip because I'll be doing this for at least the next year and a half, almost once a month. So let's continue.